Hello guys. Recently I encountered this situation that my iPhone kept restarting itself when I'm updating the iOS system. I went online and noticed that a lot of people had the problem. So in this video, I'm going to introduce several ways to get your iPhone back to normal, as we know that it could be disastrous when something gets wrong with our device. The reason why iPhone randomly restarts may be as simply as a faulty app or as complicated as a software bug like system problems or hardware issues like battery overdraining. Whatever the reason is, let's get to the solutions. Sometimes, by performing a hard reset simply takes away the bug. After all, you can do this without the help of other devices, so it is always worth a try. If you own an iPhone 8 or later, swiftly press the volume up button and then the volume down button. Then press the side button until you see the Apple logo displayed on the screen. If you have iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press and hold the side button along with the volume down button. Release once the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6 or earlier, press and hold the home and side button simultaneously. Take my iPhone 7 for example, hold the volume down and the side button at the same time. Great, it works. Sometimes, the issue is not with your iPhone but with the apps in your device which are responsible for the abnormal behavior. It may happen that few of the apps are faulty, having bugs. So you need to check whether there are faulty apps in your device. Go to Settings, find Privacy. Tap Analytics and Analytics Data. Scroll down the list to find any apps appeared. It looks confusing, but you don't actually need to know what the contents are about. You just need to check if there are apps error reports here. If you find some apps appearing to be abnormal, go back to home screen and simply delete it. It is also worth a try to reset all settings in your iPhone as it is handy and won't cause data loss. Go to Settings, General and tap Reset. Here you can select Reset All Settings to restore your iPhone settings to factory defaults. After that, the settings you made will be deleted, such as the wallpaper, but it won't erase the data. iTunes Restore is also a way to solve iOS problems. The defect of this method is that all data will get erased after restoring. If you have not backed up your device yet, you can skip this way and see the next solution, which uses ReiBoot to fix the restarting without losing any data. Now let's connect your iPhone to computer with a lightning cable. Then go into recovery mode for iTunes to detect your iPhone. This is a photo to guide you to enter recovery mode in different devices. If you want to learn about recovery mode more specifically, you can click the link above to watch the guidance. As we have entered the recovery mode, click Restore iPhone on iTunes. After the process, your iPhone should be back to normal. As we mentioned just now, we can use ReiBoot to fix the restarting issue without losing any data. ReiBoot is a professional software which I recommend for fixing the problems with iOS system. You can find the free download link in the description below. Again, let's connect the iPhone with computer and put it into recovery mode. As soon as your device is detected, click on the green button, then click Standard Repair. ReiBoot will download the firmware package for your device. After the download, simply click Start Repair to start recovery of the system. It will take about 10 minutes to complete the process. Then your iPhone will be back to normal. Sometimes hardware problems such as water damage or battery problem will also cause iPhone keeps restarting. Check the battery health. If you see a very low maximum charging capacity of your battery, You might need to take your iPhone to a local Apple store and ask for battery replacement. Well done. We have introduced 6 solutions for you to fix the iPhone keeps restarting issue. If you have other nice solutions, you are welcome to comment below to let us know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video.